What is up, everybody? This is going to be episode number 4 today of my spicy chicken challenge, series. I'm just trying to find a place where when I eat it, or you know what? This is the benchmark. It's so spicy I can't finish the sandwich. That is the benchmark that I am seeking. Okay. Today we went to the Red Bird. They have like six levels of spice. This level of spice, I can't even say it. Like, it's not even YouTube friendly. Okay, I'll just show you right here. Like, are you kidding me? Like, that's their name. I mean, I don't know, this is an establishment. They're all over the nation, I believe. But, yep, so let's check it out. Hang on, you. The patty is coming out of the box. Wow. Don't smell too spicy. All right, let's see what it's looking like. Okay. Okay. So straight away what I notice is they're using the same bun as that place in Woodbridge called Hot Chicken Kitchen, which I'm not a fan of that bun. It's just kind of weak. It's like kind of flimsy. Um the bun that Dave's Hot Chicken uses, good. The bun that Hangry Joe's uses, good. Hang what do you call it? Hot Chicken Kitchen, bad, and Red Bird, bad. Anyways, here it is. As per usual, no coleslaw, no cheese, just the chicken and the sauce. The bun is toasted. The piece of chicken is quite big. You can like see the sauce. Like look at the spices. You can see the spices. Alrighty, let's get started. Very flavorful. Um, I don't think the sauce itself is spicy. Um, so this is what I learned. If you go to a place to do a spicy chicken challenge, right? And the chicken itself is not that hot, but the sauce is hot. They messing around. They playing a game. A true spicy challenge, the chicken is supposed to be coated like this one, and the sauce it can be spicy, but it should be like maybe 10% of the challenge or 5% of the challenge. You know what I'm saying? It shouldn't be overwhelming. Okay, this snuck up on me. Wow. New number one, maybe. Um, this chicken is like coated. I've never seen it. No other place that I tried so far coats their chicken like this. It's like this dry, like the chicken itself is juicy, but the coating, it's like thick. It's a thick, like spicy coating. Yeah, the sauce, it just tastes like an aioli. Um, it's a nice compliment to it though. All right, so there's the sandwich. Classic sweat test. Am I swimming? I guess I am. I'm not gonna lie though. I'm starting to understand these like challenges and sandwiches better and these restaurants better. And I think I'm starting to be able to judge them accordingly. This place, Redbird, it's very flavorful. Now the hottest level of spice, which is called Duck You Cray. It is hot, but I mean it's not unbearable. So I mean I'm still on my search. I want something like that is unbearable. That's what I'm seeking here. So I'm gonna just keep on searching, and maybe somebody out there got it. I don't know. See y'all next time.